The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Avon Point to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds to 50 knots, or greater 8 nautical miles southwest of Cleveland, moving northeast at 40 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fairport Harbor. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
In his career, when he's had a possible late lead changing or winning field.
The forecast for Cleveland and Pacific.